Boosts your memory. Honey has plenty of antioxidants that can help repair cell damage that causes memory loss. Honey also helps the body absorb calcium, which is essential in keeping your brain healthy. Honey, the eternal sweetener, has numerous health benefits, one of which includes boosting memory and concentration. Honey not only increases brain power and memory but also makes you a healthier person altogether. Consumption of honey prevents metabolic stress and helps calm and soothe the brain, which helps in augmenting memory in the long run. Natural sleeping aid. Honey has been known for its health benefits since ancient times, so it was called liquid gold. Honey has every night. We will tell you something about the health benefits of eating honey before bed. You should try drinking this beverage made of warm milk and honey just before you sleep. For centuries, people have used this drink to help them sleep. This beverage is fairly easy to make. All you need to do is add a teaspoon of honey into a glass of hot milk, or add 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey to a cup of chamomile tea and sip to induce sleep. Home remedy for cough. Honey is known to be one of the best home remedies for dry cough as well as wet cough. That drinking a tablespoon of honey can reduce irritation in the throat. Honey is the preferred natural remedy for cough, especially for kids, as it helps to relieve nocturnal cough, allowing proper sleep. You can create your own remedy at home by mixing up to 2 teaspoons of honey with herbal tea or warm water and lemon. Nourishes your skin and face. Using honey for skin is very useful because of its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Honey is the best natural moisturizer, especially for your dry skin, and it is also very easy to apply. Raw honey not only unclogs pores but it also helps moisturize parched skin. It also helps curing cracked lips during winters. Many people also use honey masks for skin tone correction. Also, being a natural antiseptic, it is useful for treatment of wounds, bruises, cuts, burns and other infections. Raw honey. Raw honey is said to have enormous health benefits. Raw honey is honey, nectar from flowers, that is pure, unheated, unpasteurized and unprocessed. This is perhaps one of the most important characteristics and health benefits of the final product, as it preserves all the natural vitamins, enzymes, phytonutrients and other nutritional elements. Apart from being a good source of proteins and vitamins, flavonoids and amino fatty acids, raw honey is also good for cardiovascular health. Also, unlike sugar, raw honey helps soothe the digestive tract, making the metabolism and digestion good. For eyes. Honey is the best cure for eye diseases such as blepharoconjunctivitis and ulcerative blepharitis because of its antibacterial properties for eye troubles, such as dimness of the cornea. Fresh comb honey is probably the best option. Increased usage of computers and spending long hours in front of the television or other electronic gadgets will make your eyes feel tired, then use honey as your best remedy to get rid of tired eyes. For babies. Honey is known to have a protective effect on the liver. So that honey reduces the side effects of paracetamol on children's liver. That honey has antibacterial, wound cleansing and healing properties. Your child has a cut or a scrape, try applying honey on his skin to help the wound to heal faster and prevent any infection. If your child has a persistent cough which bothers him during his sleep, try giving him honey. It's a very benefit for children.